Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filter in your Canva in any of the image. So first thing first, let's upload an image. Let's say I'm gonna upload this one over here. Let's zoom in a little bit. So let's say I want to add filter to this. So what you have to do is simply tap in the photo itself, and there in the top you can see the option of edit. Let's tap in there. And here you can see there's so many filters option. Let's tap in the see all option, and you can simply tap in and can you see the changes. Like you can also adjust the intensity, how so this looks more dreamy. So if you want more blue tint, you can tap in this one. If you want more like monochromatic, then this looks just as fine. You want to go all the way black and white, you can just adjust the intensity all the way up. And yeah, it's not touch. This seems like a dreamy. I like this one better. Maybe just adjust the intensity a little bit. So yeah, this is how you add filters to your image. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.